She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my Freeform Locs. It actually has been 9 months since I started my journey. This is my third Freeform Loc journey and my last Freeform Loc journey. I'm praying that this set of locks will be my forever set of locks. I go into it thinking that's what it's gonna be, but then y'all know life happens and things change. But I'm praying that this is it for me. I just really don't see myself with any other hairstyle. I feel like I have evolved, I have grown. I've had every hairstyle under the sun. I've had permed hair, my natural fro, straightened that out, wore the box braids, the protective styles, the wigs. I even shaved all of my hair off twice. Through all of those hair journeys, through all of my different experiences with different hairstyles, I just realized Freeform Locs are just the best for my hair. It resonates with my spirit. It just makes me feel like I'm my most authentic self. My hair actually thrives with me not messing with it. I just can't believe it's been 9 months since I've been on this journey. I started from a little fro. It came from me shaving my hair all off. I was completely bald. I was gonna grow it out, but just the process of it all, as my hair grew, I didn't want to do it anymore. So I just came back to what I know and what I love, which is Freeform Locs. I just love Freeform Locs. I love that it's original to you and who you are. It's almost like a fingerprint. To me, this is really my crown. I really appreciate my hair and I love my hair. Growing up in the Black household, because I can only speak from a Black woman's perspective, it was all about hair. I grew up getting my hair pressed on the freaking stove, hot comb as a child. You know, my mom always had wash days for me. She always had my hair in ponytails. As a little girl, I just always had my hair did. I got older. You know, we went to the salon. It was perms. It was everything centered around hair. And then when you get older and you're your own person, it's still centered around hair. You want to feel good. Your hair makes you feel like if it's not looking good, then you're not going nowhere. You don't want to be seen. You're not trying to go nowhere. And I just remember one day I was fighting my hair so bad, and it was taking me so long to do it that I didn't even want to go to work because my hair wasn't coming out the way I needed it to come out. So needless to say, hair has been the forefront of my life. And it just feels good to just relinquish that burden, because that's what hair can be sometimes. Who said that we had to sit there and comb out our hair? What's wrong with kinks and naps and the way the Most High designed your hair to be? Because honestly, without the combs and the products and everything, your hair naturally does this. And I'm just amazed by this. It makes me feel like I'm my natural self. Like, it makes me feel like this is what my creator intended all along. It's doing what it wants to do, and it's actually growing up. It's like a plant. It's like a tree. I just feel like my hair is what it's supposed to be. I freaking love my hair. I'm forever having my hands in my hair. I'm forever finding new locks. And it's so amazing. Even like the shrinkage, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's like a real gift, and I thank my creator every day. Like, thank you. This is my hair. I love my hair. Right now, my hair is really doing what it wants to do, and I am loving it and letting it, as you can see. And I will insert a video of a 360. I'll do a 360 for y'all. But as you can see, it's just sectioning off and doing what it wants to do and locking. My hair is still just shrinking up It reminds me of like just an old shriveled up wash and go. And I love it. I love it. I love the fact that I still have an afro, but still have like little baby locks. Look at that. It's just amazing. Look at this. I know I'm gonna have a few Congos. I'm excited. I'm just really excited to see where this journey is going to take me. And if you guys have any questions, leave them below. If you guys want to see any videos, leave your ideas below. Please thumbs up this video if y'all like this video. Let's get this video moving in the algorithm. We need to see some more Black women with Freeform Locs. Thank y'all for being here. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.